Well, hello there. I recently tried on my first ever pink lipstick. It's CoverGirl Strawberry Spritzer, and I did not like it. The thing about pink lipstick is it only works on certain people. It's not for everyone, and especially the tone of lipstick, the tone of the pink. Pink is not for everyone, and I realized that pink might not be for me, but I wanted to test that because I feel like I may have tried the wrong pink lipstick. It didn't look good on me. Well, that's my opinion. Some people did like it, and I really appreciate that, but it really does not look good on me. And I felt like I couldn't just put out one video with what I felt was probably the worst lipstick I've worn for me and not try a new pink to see if it's just pink or if it's just that particular pink. So for an additional video this week, I figured I'd do somewhat of a redemption story with trying out Black Radiance Berry Bold. I actually picked this out because I want to do an ombre lipstick with pink and black together, or maybe pink and red. But I figured I'll actually just try this by itself, say it looks by itself, and see if it works. I figured I'll just use just the lipstick this time. Nothing fancy, except for a little gloss as well. So we'll see how it looks. Hopefully it's a situation where the pink that I used just didn't match me instead of just pink not working for me, because I really want to use a pink one day, see how that looks like. And I hope it works. So, but let's see. All right, this actually looks a lot better than what I had before. I think matte pink just does not work for me. So much better. Wow, this is really good. I actually like this a lot. See, the thing about makeup is you experiment. You see what works for you, you see what doesn't work, and you play around, see what you can make happen with the stuff that doesn't work, but the stuff that does, you take and add on to other things you want to do. And I feel like, wow, I really like this. I really, really like this. I feel like I've actually found out over time, experimenting, that certain things don't work for me. And I think that kind of color, a matte pink or that light of a pink, just does not work for me. I actually like this without the gloss. Looks really, really good. But we're gonna add the gloss anyway. I feel like it's the natural thing to do. If you go with a matte color and you're gonna go with the same color, you should go gloss. Oh, wow. I'm in love with this. This really looks good. My other video really disappointed me. I really wanted to have a certain look. I didn't really achieve it. And I think I've actually achieved it this time. I really like how this looks. And, you know, I kept the same makeup, did my wings the same, had the same eyeliner, changed the hair a little so it'll match the eyeliner better. But wow, I really like this pink. It just shows that not every color is for you. And sometimes you'll find a color that's really for you, and you need to hold on to the color and see if you can expand a little more. I've tried Black Radiance. I use it because it's very affordable. The colors are very deep, and it's very easy to do an ombre lipstick with pretty much any color. I actually have a bronze or gold color that I'm gonna do eventually in the future that I bought to do like a ombre color with that. I'll get to that eventually, but so far I really like their colors, how bright it is, and I think this pink really, really works for me. I'm really enjoying it. I'm really liking it a lot, and I think it's somewhat of a redemption story for having such an awful looking pink in the last video. I give this one a thumbs up. You guys take care.